everybody, happy Thursday. Today is book character day and I'm dressed as a giraffe. I'm going to upload another video of myself reading a story called Giraffes Can't Dance, which is why I dressed as a giraffe today. And all of the teachers are actually also working on creating other read aloud stories that you guys will be able to listen to and enjoy. I'm really excited to see what kind of book characters you guys will dress as. It was hard for me to decide this one. I had a lot of favorite books, but I'm excited for this one. All right, so I'm going to jump into today's learning targets. I'm only going to be doing the phonics and the math on this video, and I'm going to be doing the writing on a separate video because that involves going outside today. So let's get started with the skills. So in our phonics learning target today, it's I can read words with digraphs, which is the same target we've been working on. We're going to do an activity really similar to yesterday. It's called real or silly scoops. Again, just like yesterday, you're going to be reading some words and trying to decide if they're real words or if they're make-believe, silly, nonsense words. So what you're going to do is you're going to read each word in an ice cream scoop. You might underline the digraphs to help you. And then after you read it, you're going to decide, is it real or is it silly? If it's real, you're going to put it on the real ice cream cone. You're going to put it in one of the boxes. If it's silly, not a real word, you're going to put it over here. When you're done, then you get to color them if you have crayons at home. So you can color all of the real ice cream scoops blue and all of the silly ones yellow. So I'll show you a couple of examples and then I'll let you guys get started. So the first one, I see an SH, and SH says shh. So I've got shab, 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 shab. Shab? That doesn't sound like a real word to me. So I'm going to cut that out and I'm going to put it on the silly side. And that would go over here. Remember, if you don't have scissors or glue, you can just write it. Maybe draw your ice cream cone. I'm going to do one more. Let's read the next one. Remember, look for your digraph first. Oh, I see a CK. Luck, luck. Oh, like good luck. My mom always used to wish me good luck when I was playing in games. Luck sounds like a real word, so I would cut that out and put that over here on the real word side. Okay? I'll let you do the rest of them. I think you guys are going to be really great at figuring out which ones are real and which ones are silly. Don't get tricked. All right, now I'm going to skip ahead to the math work, and remember, I'll show the writing work in a different video. Today's math work is I can solve a subtraction number sentence using a number sentence and a number bond. So we're going to continue working on subtraction, which means taking away. And you can do that either with crossing out in the pictures or counting backwards like we practiced yesterday, but we're also going to add a number bond to that today. So let me show you how. So you're going to write your name and you're looking for lesson 22 problem set that looks like this. So you're going to write your name and the date. Wow, I can't believe today is already the 26th. All right, so the directions say fill in the number bond. So the first part says cross out one hat, okay? And I see the number sentence down here says 6 minus 1. So 6 take away 1, which is what I just did there, equals 5. There's 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 when I took away 1. So to fill in the number bond, I see that there's 6 in the whole, 6 all together, and then here would be the parts of how many you took away and the parts that are left. So I took away 1 and there's 5 left. Those are my parts. 1 and 5 make 6. You're going to continue with the other two on the front side doing the same thing, but paying attention to the problem to see how many to take away or cross out. So this one says 6 minus 5, and up here you see cross out 5. So instead of just crossing out 1, make sure you cross out 5. And the last one down here says cross out 2 because it says 6 minus 2. And then you're going to fill in the number bonds to show how many you took away and how many are left. Those are the parts. On the back side, you're going to do something similar, but you're going to be adding in the number sentences. So you're going to look at the number here up top to see how many to take away. So this one says take away 3 hats. So I'm going to cross out 3. So I had 6. I'm going to take away, I took away 3. And I had 1, 2, 3 left equals 3. How many left? Then you're going to fill in your number bond to show the parts. So there's 6 all together. When I look at my problem, when I look at my parts, I see I took away 3 and I had 3 left. Those are my 2 parts. We're going to continue on the next problem. It says take away 4. So you've got 6 minus equals and then find the parts. And then down below, you have to do all of it. So first it says draw 6 circles and then take away 2 of them. Draw 6, take away 2. Then you're going to fill in the whole number sentence and the parts. Okay? So this should be getting a little bit more complex from yesterday's work, but we should be getting a little better at figuring out how to take away. If that was hard for you, you can work on the lesson 22 homework for some more practice, or I recommend going on Khan Academy because they also have the number bonds and the number sentences in the same way. If you have any questions about that, please let me know, and I look forward to seeing your work. I also look forward to seeing you on my other videos. All right, bye guys.